What if you could turn market volatility into a reliable source of passive income? Forget guessing the next big coin. Today, we're building a system that does the work for you. I'm going to show you how to merge the power of artificial intelligence with decentralized finance to create a fully automated trading engine. This isn't just theory. Here are my results after letting this exact system run. As you can see, the potential is real, and I'm about to break down my entire process. We'll be using AI to scan blockchain data in real time, identifying small price differences between decentralized exchanges. It then automatically executes arbitrage trades for you, all within safe and compliant guardrails. This strategy is about using public market data and smart algorithms, not risky tactics of front running. It's a transparent way to capitalize on market inefficiencies while protecting your assets. And don't worry if this sounds complex. I'll walk you through it step by step. You don't need any coding or advanced math skills. The goal is to let AI simplify the process so you can understand how to genuinely profit in DeFi. Ready to see how it's done? Let's dive in. Now with AI, the best thing is having the right prompt. I've broken this down into 4 stages so you can see them on screen. This is the roadmap I followed step by step for the video. I started with a detailed technical prompt clearly describing everything I needed. Fast, secure, and using APIs from well-known platforms only. You can see here it gave clean, functional code. This as is needs to be tested manually for a long period of time. But at first glance, it looks great. If you're curious about how it works, here's a graphic showing the process. Also, you're gonna need a Web3 wallet. I'm using MetaMask. I'm not sure how other Web3 wallets will work. If you want to be safe and follow exactly what I do, use MetaMask. Next, you're gonna want to go to this site. I'll leave links for everything in the description so you can copy everything exactly as I've done. Create a new file. I'll name mine bot.sol. You can name it whatever you want. Just make sure it ends in .sol. Here's the script. This will be in the description. Copy it and paste it into the bot.sol file we created. The script includes comments. Please read the ones at the top. These conditions must be met for everything to work properly. Do not skip over reading these comments. Now pay attention to the version number at the top. It needs to match what you see on the platform here. Just follow my steps exactly. Make sure your setup matches mine to avoid any errors. Once that's done, click here. You'll see a green check mark like this. That means everything's configured correctly. Go to the next page. Click this button, then select this option. Connect. Now click this orange button and confirm all of the actions. This is deploying our smart contract on the blockchain. Don't forget to click this blue pen icon and change it to aggressive. Let's wait for a green check mark to come up in the console. All right, click this drop-down menu and we can go over all the functions. Start will start the bot. Stop will stop the bot. Withdraw will withdraw the entire balance back to your wallet. Debug can help if you run into any issues. Copy this address here and let's check it on Etherscan. Make sure these 2 addresses match. This confirms only you have unrestricted control of everything. Click here and copy the address again. Now here's the most important part to prepare everything for a successful launch so our scripts have something to work with. If you don't want to run into any issues, strictly follow the instructions shown earlier. They're not suggestions, they're requirements. If you're not familiar with code, just repeat each step exactly as shown. I've displayed it on screen for you. Put in the desired amount. Make sure the amount follows the requirements. I'll put this to aggressive again. Wait until it's confirmed. Refresh the page just to see if everything worked fine. Nice. Now this is optional. Before we launch the script, you can test the withdraw function if you'd like. This is a simple test to prove that we have full ownership over the smart contract. Click the withdraw function and go through everything. Now wait for it to confirm. Confirmed. Open up your wallet. As you can see, the amount we put into the smart contract was sent back to our wallet successfully, proving we are the ones in control of this smart contract. Let's put this back into the smart contract again. You don't need to check the withdraw if you don't want to. This is just a nice step to prove everything was set up to your wallet correctly. Copy the smart contract address again, input the address again, put in the amount again. Set this to aggressive again. Wait for it to confirm. Now that everything is back in order, we can click start. Go through everything. Set it to aggressive again. Let's wait for this to confirm. All right, I'll let this run for some time and come back later. Okay, it's been almost a full day since I started, and let's refresh and see how it's done. Perfect. These results are about what I expected. Let's withdraw everything back to our wallet. You'll want to click the stop button first, but I already did that. Okay, click the withdraw button. Set it to aggressive. And then click confirm. Just wait for it to confirm. Sweet. Now let's open our wallet and check it. There it is. These results can fluctuate depending on network traffic. I normally run my bot for weeks, but this is just to showcase what it can do. If you need any help, feel free to reach out on Telegram. I've left everything in the description. Give this a try, hit the subscribe button. I haven't seen anyone release something like this, and I only have better content coming in the future. Until next time, take care, everyone.